The perfect morning coffee starts with freshly ground beans. A shot of espresso that flows like warm honey. And silky microfoam for that barista quality milk. You can now make third wave specialty coffee at home with ease, with 3-second heat up time and automatic steam wand. The Bambino Plus, small in size, big on taste. Compact without compromise.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, Director of Marketing Communications for Cuisinart. This is the Cuisinart Programmable Espresso Maker. It's a great product. The housing is all stainless steel. It also has a thermal block inside that has 15 bars of pressure, which is perfect to make espresso. It also has a removable water reservoir, which has a maximum fill line here. It also has a handle that helps you carry it to the sink and fill it up, and it mounts right back on the espresso maker. It has 2 pre-programmed settings. It has a 1.5 ounce size and a 3 ounce size, but it also has a great feature where you can reprogram the amount of espresso you want it to dispense, and that's really simple and easy to do. So if you prefer a 2 ounce pour, you can program it to do 2 ounces instead. It also has a power button. It has a manual button. This is where the 1.5 ounce size is, and the 3 ounce size. So for 1 or 2 servings. Has the program button and the steam button. It also has a really nice removable drip tray, which catches any spills that you make, which can go right into the dishwasher. It also has 3 coffee filter sizes. It has the 2-cup size. It has the, this is for 2 cups of espresso. This is for 1 serving. And then lastly, we have our pod. This is really great if you buy pods. You just pop it right in here, and then you put it in the portafilter holder, and you mount it on the machine, and that's how you make your espresso. Lastly, the nice thing about the portafilter holder is that once you're done making your espresso, you slide this over, and you can dump out any of your grounds, and you won't lose your filter holder. So that's really nice. We also include a DVD with the product. It shows you how to get the most out of your espresso maker. Also has some great recipes on how to make a macchiato, a latte, and a cappuccino. So that's really nice. Make sure you watch that. The other thing is it comes with a coffee scoop. This is for when you use espresso ground coffee. And you just scoop it in and use the other side to tamp it down. And then you put it in the portafilter holder like this. And then you mount it on the machine to make your coffee. So I'm going to show you how to use the commercial style wand. What we're going to do is put on the steam function, and what will happen is this will blink until it's ready, and when the machine comes up to the proper temperature, that will stay lit. And when it becomes lit, we'll be ready to make steamed frothed milk. Now we're ready to make steam. So here we're going to take our frothing cup, which we give you with the espresso maker. We're going to put it underneath, and on the side here we're going to turn it to the steam function. So you turn that, and it's really simple to use. There's a little handle on here, and you just circulate it around the milk, starting at the bottom. And the trick to this is that once you get it really warm, you're going to pull the frother down just under the surface, and you're going to draw it up the side of the frothing cup, and that's how you make a really beautiful froth for your cappuccino, latte, or macchiato. And there you have it, a beautiful macchiato. I'm going to put a little bit of cinnamon on top, just for a little color. And there you have it, Espresso by Cuisinart, and it's totally programmable.